It just bounced off its lowest levels in weeks, and it could be gearing up for a 50% breakout. That's a 53% possible pump. So I ran the technicals, and here's what they say. Stay till the end for my exact buy limit orders. In through the blender, dropping like a rock, but bounced from 1142 to 1407. But here's where it gets interesting. When we actually go up to the red line there, we need to break above this level at 1501. If we do this, it could go higher, it could possibly go up to here. But short term, I think we are on the top here, but anything's possible if the trend indicators I've used is bullish. As you see here, usually this is never wrong usually. And on the 4 hour, it's 54, the green line, and red is 49. That's increasingly good. And as you see here, when it crossed over there, the pump started, okay, at the exact time. So if you use this indicator here, you will see the downfall. Here it was the direction of down because crossed over there, and then it went the red line over the green. Possible here, it crossed. So if this crosses over there at this level here, I think we're going a bit down again. But here's where it gets wild. The moving averages are about to do something insane. The EMAs just flipped above the EMA 10, and the price is dancing under the EMA 20 like a hungry dog waiting for steak. So the next target is upper Bollinger band, and it's at exactly 1654. That's the second target, and I think we could actually reach that point if it keeps on going up here. But as you see here, when the green line was at almost the same there, around 63, so 63 level for the trend predictor might be a danger zone. But I think this is really possible because we are on an upwards trend here, and I think the first target is 1656. And as you see here, the MACD, if you can't afford this indicator I have here, trend predictor, I think it's around $60. It will be in the description of this video. If you can't afford the trend predictor or momentum radar indicators, using a MACD is quite good too, because when you see the crossover there, you see an upward trend. When you see it cross over the red there, you see a downward trend. So if you follow this exactly as a T, you would have nailed the bottom here, and then we are here. I think we're going up here. Meanwhile, the RSI is still sleeping, which means we could get tons of room to run. Bonk isn't even warmed up yet. I think we could actually reach those higher levels there, but this is what convinced me to ape in. Whale-sized volume kicked in right at the bottom. So when you see a lot of buying pressure on the charts, okay, I suggest you use different indicators. You can use the volume, you can use some other indicators too. But me personally, the only thing I want to see on a chart if I'm going to buy or ape in is I want to see a lot of freaking green candles, okay? Want to see green candles on every single time frame. As the 1 hour, you see a lot of freaking green candles. I want to see green candles, okay? You need to get that in your head, because meme coins, things can change fast, okay? Here we had a huge sell-off. What happened? It went down, okay? Huge sell-off there, and then it dumped down, and then we had some green candles, and then it went a bit up. So this is the danger zone, okay? The place we are at now, if it goes above this level here, we'll do a line there. If we actually go above this level at 1463, I think the next target is around 1516. But we need a lot of freaking green candles down here. Here's exactly where I'm setting my buys. Take notes. This is not financial advice. But the first buy zone I did was at 0.40s, 1220, and the second was 1280. EMA cluster support, 1350 mid support, safest entry, and 1142 double bottom goat risk reward. So if you're going to buy now, these are my personal buy limit orders I personally do at the moment. But again, if we go above this level here, I will put a line there. At this point, I think I'm going to put in a buy position, because if we go above this level or the 1463, I think we are going up. I think the next target then is around this level and then there. But we need a lot of freaking buy volume. Well, this was all for today's video on Bonk Coin. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you comment your thoughts where you think Bonk is heading next. And most importantly, make sure you subscribe, share this video with all your wonderful friends. Have a great day. Take care.